Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a high-quality professional puzzle book from scratch in just minutes. We will be using a powerful platform called Logikland.com, which is a total game changer for anyone in the Kindle Direct Publishing or print-on-demand business. Let's get started. First, we head over to the main dashboard. As you can see, the site offers several professional tools like mixed puzzles, crosswords, and hidden words. Today we are going to focus on the Sudoku Master. This tool is designed to create everything from very easy grids to expert-level challenges. Once we click Get Started, we enter the Sudoku Book Wizard. The first step is to choose the language for your book. Logikland is fantastic because it supports 5 major languages: English, French, Spanish, Italian, and German. This allows you to target different international markets easily. We will select English for this project. Next, we give our book a title, let's call it My Sudoku Book, and choose the page size. The standard 8.5 by 11 inches is perfect for this type of activity book. You can also choose to automatically include a How to Play page, which adds a lot of value for your readers. Now let's move on to the next step, configuring the puzzles. You have the option to create a book with just one difficulty level or a multi-level book. To provide the best variety, we are going to choose the multi-level option. This allows us to mix different challenges together. For this example, we are going to add 10 grids for every single difficulty level, from very easy and easy, all the way through medium, hard, very hard, expert, and even the insane level. This creates a diverse and engaging experience for the user. We can also choose how to organize these levels, such as including the level name in each title. Next, we look at the layout settings. This is where you decide how your book will actually look on the page. You can choose the number of puzzles per page and the number of solutions per page. For a clean and professional look, we will set it to 6 puzzles per page. You can also adjust the margins to ensure everything is perfectly aligned for printing. Once you are happy with the settings, just click on Generate Book. In just a few seconds, the system processes everything in the cloud and generates your entire project. Now we are in the main editor. On the left side, you can see all your pages neatly organized, starting from the cover all the way to the solution keys at the end. Let's take a moment to personalize the cover. The editor is very flexible. You can click on any element to move it or resize it. On the right-hand sidebar, you have full control over the text properties. You can change the font family, for example, switching to Arial or Helvetica, adjust the font size, make it bold, and change the alignment. You can even use specific hex codes to get the exact color you want. Let's change our background color to a nice professional deep red to make the book stand out. You can also upload your own images or logos to make the brand truly yours. Once your design is finished, make sure to hit the Save button. Now it's time to export. You can download your creation as a high-quality PDF, which is ready to be uploaded directly to Amazon KDP. Alternatively, you can export it as a PowerPoint file. This is a great feature if you want to make further manual adjustments or add more pages later on. As we open the final PDF, you can see how crisp the grids look and how well formatted the solution pages are. Everything is numbered and easy to follow. This professional finish used to take days of manual work, but with Logikland we did it in a fraction of the time. If you ever need to make changes, just go back to your dashboard. Your active projects are always saved right there. You can reopen them, update the styles, or generate new puzzles whenever you need. And that's it. Your professional puzzle book is ready to be published and sold. Head over to Logikland.com today and start building your own publishing empire. Thanks for watching and happy creating.